Hello viewers, welcome back to my technology channel on YouTube GTech. Today is 29 January 2020. As on today, do you own any drones in India? It could be a toy drone, it could be a recreational drone, it could be a professional drone. If you own any of these drones, you are supposed to register with DGCA, the government's organ that looks into these matters. So when I say drones, you could actually own a small toy helicopter, RC helicopter. So even that's a drone. You might own a small, toy quadcopter. You might own a professional, quadcopter with a camera such as a DJI. You might also have self-assembled quadcopters or an hexcopter or anything like that, or you may even own an RC aeroplane. So all these things which can fly and which can fly unmanned, so they have to be registered with DGCA, that is the government's organ which looks into these matters. So if you fail to register, so actually this notification came on 15th January 2020, and they gave 15 days for everyone to register themselves as drone owners and subsequently enlist the drones that they own, that anyone owns. So it's fairly easy to, okay, one other thing is, even if you are not flying the drones that you possess, if you are just owning it and having it at your place, so even then you are supposed to register yourself as a drone owner and also enlist your drone. For example, even I had couple of drones which actually I built it for teaching purposes when I conduct workshops at engineering colleges and other technical institutions. So even I had to register these drones, enlist these drones with DGCA. So actually the day they announced this and when the provision was available online, it was a little bit complicated, but when I tried, I just registered my drones yesterday, that is on 28th, and it was fairly easy, and I was able to actually register myself and also enlist my drones in hardly 15-20 minutes. So to do that, you need to visit the government's, the DGCA website, Digital Sky. So from there actually they have provided a link where actually one can register as a drone owner. So as soon as one registers as a drone owner, you will get something called as OAN. Okay, so you will get that notification to your email with your OAN number, and subsequently you can enlist your drone. So to register yourself, you need a few documents. So you need an address proof, you need an ID proof, and you also need your educational qualification proof. So for example, I used my Aadhaar card, I used my passport, and I used my degree certificate to register myself as a drone owner. And to enlist your drone, once again, you need to take a photograph of your drone, one in the front angle, front view, and other as a top view, and one close-up picture. So you need to take 3 pictures of your drone, and then you need to fill a form with the details of your drone and submit it. So as soon as you submit it, they give something called as a DAN. So that is your drone number. So for each drone you get a separate drone number. So that comes to, like, if it is approved again. So once it is approved, you get that number, the approval number comes to your email address. So you need to take a printout of it and keep it in your records. So one other thing is, once you register yourself and once you have your DAN, it doesn't mean that you can fly your drone anywhere. So once again, there are a lot of restrictions. Even if it is a toy drone, there are some regulations which you need to follow in order to fly it. So what if you fail to register yourself and fail to enlist your drone? So as per the website, that is Digital Sky website, it says that government would take legal action against those people who possess drones without enlisting, and also if someone flies a drone without proper registration and without enlisting, so the punishment is up to 2 years of imprisonment and about up to 10 lakh rupees fine. So what do you want to delay? Like if you own any drones, immediately immediately go to Digital Sky website and register yourself. It's very important. So see, for example, so when I registered my drones, so I got all these emails about the confirmation of, about approvals of my enlisting. So I have three drones. For 3 drones I got 3 separate emails, and also one for registering myself as a drone owner. Okay. So these are my drones, like if you can see it here. So this is one drone which is about 500-600 grams. So here is one other drone which is less than 250 grams, which I made recently. And here is one other drone which weighs about 1.3 kgs. So all these 3 drones were self-assembled. So this is one more important point. So you can enlist even a self-assembled drone. So there is a provision in the form field wherein you can select it as self-assembled. So that's about this video. I think one other thing is 30th is the last day. That is, you just have one more day to register yourself and register your drones. So that's why I'm making this video in urgency. So thanks for watching. So if you like this video, please press the bell button and also subscribe to my video. Thank you.